Hey guys, Ben here from BluLadder. I'm a professional window cleaner and I've been in business for about 15 years, depending on how you want to count. But I've been doing it for a while and a lot of people struggle with getting clean windowsills. A lot of times we like to open our windows and enjoy the fresh air coming through. But now, if you want to see, this windowsill is pretty filthy. So what I'm going to walk you through right now is how to clean that with the things that you already have at home. The first thing that I want to do is remove this window screen. A little side note, with these window screens, you can wiggle them from side to side. You don't want to put too much tension on the middle, whether it's the top or the bottom or the sides. The middle section is what's most prone to break if there's too much force pushed against it. So what you can do is shift sideways. It has that bend, and that helps you to loosen it. So these little pull tabs are convenient oftentimes, but unfortunately, they also fall off. So you can use something like a flathead screwdriver or a putty knife, anything that's flat and rigid to get under there and help pry it up in some situations where the screen might be kind of tightly lodged in place. So it might take a little bit of play the first time, but once you get used to it, it gets to be pretty easy. So I'm just going to set that outside. My first step, if you have some type of a paintbrush or something small that you can kind of sweep things through with, that can be very helpful. Otherwise, right now it's been raining, and so these are already a little bit muddy. So I'm just going to take a solution. It's just soap and water, and I'm just going to spray it into the track. All right, so now we have it nice and wet. And I'm just going to take a basic microfiber rag. You buy 24 of these or something at Home Depot for 10 bucks, 12 bucks. And I just stick it in there and just pull through. The first time through, I get probably 80 or 90% of the mud. And look at that, it's pretty nasty, right? So I'm just going to shake that out into the soil and go through one more time. Now, one of the important things is I'm trying to bunch this up and force it down so that the corners, both sides, are able to get some pressure from the rag to pull against. And that helps get all of the muck or any of the dust or debris that's in there to really come loose. And I could just wipe it through. And then at the end, I just sort of pinch the thing and pull it out. And then I can shake out all the dirt or debris. Now, sometimes it can be a little bit of a struggle. And so you can always just do it more. One more take through. The other thing that you can do is if you have a flathead screwdriver or anything, again, that maybe the same type of tool that you would use to pry the screen out, you can use it to force down that towel into the track and pull. Sometimes tracks can be very heavily soiled and really dirty, maybe even corroded if you have aluminum or metal frames. And so it can be a little bit more of a trial to get it through. A lot of the windows that we run into are simply vinyl, and they're pretty easy to get with just some soapy water and a rag. So once we finish wiping this through, a little bit muddy there. Now any little bit left, we can just spray the water and wipe the rest of it up. Okie doke. So now we're not quite finished. We want to make sure to close the window, get it nice and locked. We got to take care of this windowsill. So depending on how dirty your rag is from cleaning the tracks, oftentimes I'll just scrap this and grab a new one. Otherwise, I just get a clean side of it. I fold it so that the dirtiest part is on the inside, and I scrub really lightly and just wipe across. And there we have it, a nice clean windowsill. See you guys in the next video.